In this video I will show you how to enable tabs in new navigation pane in File Explorer in Windows 11 version 25136. See tabs in navigation pane not showing, how to enable, see full video. Download vivetool from GitHub, link below description. Copy the vivetool and paste in C drive, extract vivetool folder. Open extracted vivetool folder, type CMD and press enter. Copy the command from Notepad and paste it, then press enter. C2 command features added successfully. Restart your computer. See tabs in navigation pane added successfully and working well. That's it. Enjoy. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, share my videos with your friends. Thank you.